I've done Cats around the world, and so's Hannah, and everyone seems to love it. So I hope the Dutch audience is exactly the same, and I'm sure they will be. Yeah. Do you know what? I think it's so different, isn't it?
It is. It's different to any other show out there. I think Cats. It's such a.
It's iconic,
yeah,
isn't it?
Iconic.
It's very iconic.
Yeah.
And it's just, it stood the test of time, and people love it, and they come back again and again, and we come back and do it again and again.
We love it. And we love it just as much as everyone else. You get used to doing the makeup, though you do have to do it yourself every day, 8 shows a week. And you get quicker. Generally, it takes about an hour to start off, and it's not as good. And then as you go along, you'll go, oh, I wasn't very good at doing my makeup before.
Amazing. It's absolutely amazing. You have to see it. You'd be really silly not to. It's brilliant. Brilliant for all, yeah.
I agree.